Samsung is gearing up to make waves in the smartphone industry with the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, the tech giant is breaking tradition by powering the entire Galaxy S25 series with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite application processor. Historically, Samsung relied on its in-house Exynos chipsets for regions outside the United States, Canada, and China. However, production challenges with the Exynos 2500 on Samsung Foundry's cutting-edge 3nm process have led to a change in strategy. Instead of sticking with the usual, Samsung is introducing an overclocked for Galaxy variant of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, promising a new level of performance. This Galaxy-exclusive processor stands out for its enhanced speed and power. Its prime CPU cores are overclocked to an astonishing 4.47 GHz, while the 6 performance cores can reach up to 3.53 GHz. In comparison, the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset used in other devices tops out at 4.32 GHz for its prime cores. Though the numbers may seem incremental, they reflect Samsung's pursuit of even the smallest performance gains, ensuring the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands apart in a crowded market. Benchmark results from Geekbench 6 have offered a sneak peek into what this device can deliver. The Galaxy S25 Ultra achieved a multi-core score of 9793 and a single-core score of 3049. While these results are impressive, a reference device featuring the same Snapdragon 8 Elite processor performed even better. Equipped with a remarkable 24 GB of LPDDR5X random access memory, the reference device outpaced other flagship Android devices by as much as 47%. Despite this, benchmarks are only part of the story. Real-world performance hinges on more than just numbers. Factors like software optimization, thermal efficiency, and overall system design play significant roles in how a device performs in everyday use. Samsung's meticulous attention to detail in these areas means the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to provide a user experience that goes beyond what the raw data suggests. It's not just about delivering peak performance, but ensuring consistent, reliable power across all applications. The Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset also highlights Samsung's strategic collaboration with Qualcomm. This partnership allows Samsung to create a processor uniquely tailored for its flagship devices, giving the Galaxy S25 Ultra an edge over competitors. This exclusive customization is more than a marketing tactic. It ensures that Galaxy users get a truly optimized experience that's hard to match. As we approach the launch, excitement continues to grow. Samsung's Unpacked event, expected on January 22nd, promises to be a showcase of innovation. While the overclocked processor is a significant highlight, it's just one piece of the puzzle. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to impress with its stunning display, advanced camera system, and software features that redefine what a smartphone can do. This phone isn't just for tech enthusiasts chasing benchmark scores. It's designed for everyone, from gamers and content creators to those who simply want a fast, efficient, and reliable device. Samsung's focus on creating a balanced, high-performance phone ensures the Galaxy S25 Ultra will meet a wide range of needs while exceeding expectations. With only weeks to go before the big reveal, the anticipation is reaching new heights. Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of smartphone technology, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to continue that tradition. It's not just another flagship, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile innovation. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. We'll catch you in the next video. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.